Self-affirmations are very, very powerful. It allows you to condition your mindset and transition from negativity to positivity. It allows you to basically live the life you want to live. If you want to be a business owner, go ahead and give yourself these self-affirmations that you are worthy. You can do whatever you put your mind to. You will succeed at what you do. All you have to do is make the effort. Wake up every day and affirm to yourself that you do deserve the lifestyle that you want to live. I do want to, say something in nature. I am worthy. I am abundant. I have a great life. I have great children. I have a great relationship. I have good health. I'm good looking. I have a good smile. I'm good at talking to people. You tell yourself every day what your powers are. Okay, so don't let society dictate and determine your powers. Your powers are within. You can manifest anything you want with self-affirmations and manifestation. So you have to tell yourself every single day how good and how worthy you are. And you know what? That doesn't matter what anybody else's think. It doesn't matter. You tell yourself what you need to tell yourself to become what you want to become. Nobody else should make that decision for you. Nobody's comments, negative comments, can dictate your future and your drive and your inspiration that you have within. This is all within you. Imagine yourself, I guess, like a computer. Whatever you program it to do is what's going to happen. So program your mindset, program your body, allow the energy from the universe to come into you and to be able to determine where it is that you're going and what you're manifesting in life, because you believe it. You believe it, and you don't care what anybody else says. You can do whatever you want to do. You just have to convince yourself. You don't have to convince your neighbor. You don't have to convince your parents. You don't have to convince your children, your friends, your spouse. You have to convince yourself. And doing self-affirmations is a way to inspire yourself, drive yourself, and most important thing is to not let yourself down. It's a internal mechanism that is going to fuel the belief that you have about your lifestyle, where you want to go. Even if you're trying to improve your relationship, you can use that. Tell yourself, I'm a very good spouse. I'm a very good partner. I'm a very good listener. I'm a very good communicator. You have to affirm to yourself what it is that you're looking to achieve. So it's very hard if your mind is full of negativity, and self-affirmation will help you overcome this negativity with practice, drilling, and rehearsing. So the more you do it, the more positive you're going to come, the bigger your smile is going to be, the brighter your energy and your aura is going to be on yourself, and you're going to, in return, attract that type of energy, attract that type of frequency. You're going to attract that type of lifestyle because that's what you want. That's what you deserve, and you're going to go after it. I hope you have a great day. And keep in mind, you are worthy. You can do whatever you want, and you're doing a great job in life. Keep up the good work.